You ever stand in the rain, not rushing for cover, but just standing there, as if nature itself is trying to tell you something? What if I told you that those little drops falling from the sky are more than just water? That rainwater, the same one we run from, holds ancient healing powers for your body, your skin, and your soul. Isn't the Creator amazing? Let's talk about something so simple. It's almost sacred. Rainwater. You see it fall, and most of us just run. We close the windows, rush for cover, and curse the delay it brings to our plans. But here's the twist: rainwater is one of the purest forms of water nature provides. Think of it this way: the sun heats up oceans, rivers, and lakes. The water evaporates, leaving behind salts, metals, and impurities. It rises as vapor, gathers in clouds, and falls back as rain, like nature's own version of distilled water. Unlike city tap water, which is often treated with chlorine, fluoride, and travels through old metal pipes, rainwater is fresh, untouched, and soft. That's why it's called soft water. It contains very low levels of minerals and chemicals, making it gentle on your skin, your kidneys, and your hair. Newborn births and even preparing sacred meals, they believed it was more than water. It was a blessing from above. You know that friend who always has glowing skin and they swear they don't use expensive products? Maybe their secret isn't in a jar, maybe it's in the sky. Rainwater is slightly alkaline, which helps restore your skin's natural pH balance. It's free from harsh minerals that can strip your skin's protective oils, something tap water often does without us even noticing. People with acne, eczema, or sensitive skin have reported fewer flare-ups after washing with collected rainwater once it's been properly filtered and stored. And here, that's a whole other story. If you've dealt with itchy scalp, dandruff, or dull, lifeless hair, rainwater might just be that miracle. It naturally removes chemical buildup from shampoos and conditioners, softens your strands, and hydrates the scalp without irritating it. Here's something your body will thank you for: detoxing with natural water. Our body is at 60 to 70% water, and yet so much of what we drink is packed with contaminants, microplastics, and even heavy metals. But filtered rainwater, it hydrates differently, gently, and efficiently. Because of its softness, it reduces the workload on your kidneys. That means your body can flush dozens faster, help your liver process waste more efficiently, and even replenish your cells better. In traditional Chinese medicine and even old African natural healing practices, rainwater was boiled and used in fasting, cleansing teas, and colon detoxes. People say it helps with constipation relief, better hydration, skin glow, reduced bloating, more energy in the morning. Honestly, your organs will notice. So the next time it rains, don't just listen to it. Collect it, filter it, and let your body feel the difference. There's something almost sacred about rain. When it falls, everything pauses. Maybe you felt it before, that strange sense of peace when the sky goes grey and the rain begins to fall, slow and steady. In fact, most of the time when it rains, especially when I'm at home, I always feel like, just going into the rain, just enter the rain, dance in the rain, not minding if anybody is looking. But of course, I don't want to do that because I don't want to attract the wrong audience. Turns out it's not just a feeling. Science shows that rainfall releases negative ions, which can help lift your mood, calm anxiety, and even promote deep emotional healing. That's why, after a heavy downpour, the air feels fresher and strangely. So, do you? It's no wonder many cultures call rain the tears of heaven. Grounding, the practice of walking barefoot on natural surfaces, becomes even more powerful in the rain. As the water touches your skin, it's like the earth and sky are connecting through you. Some say rain even helps reset the body's bioelectric field, especially after emotional trauma or spiritual disconnection. You ever cry in the rain? It's like God Himself, is showing that He's with you and He's just helping you to wash it all away. Now, before you run outside with a bucket, let's talk safety. Rainwater is pure when it leaves its clouds. Rainwater is pure when it leaves the clouds. But by the time it touches your roof, not so much. That's why proper collection is everything. Here is a safe, easy way to start. Use a clean, food grade rain barrel. Avoid plastic that leaches. Install a force flush diverter. This discards the first few liters that may have dust or bed droppings. Use a fine mesh filter to keep out leaves and bugs. Boil or pass it through a charcoal filter or gravity-fed purifier like a Becky. Store it in glass jugs or BPA-free containers in a cool space. If you are using it for bathing, rinsing your hair, watering plants, or washing clothes, you might not even need to filter as heavily. Just make sure it's clean, odorless, and properly stored. This is a bonus tip for you. Add a drop of grapefruit seed extract or natural iodine to inhibit bacteria. Somewhere between the noise of our modern lives, we forgot something, that the earth was designed by God to heal us. The trees, the soil, the wind, the herbs. Yeah, the herbs. It is there in the Bible. Do you remember where God said the herbs are for the healing of the nation? And yes, even the rain. But we traded that connection for bottled water, air conditioned rooms, and fluorescent lights. And now, our bodies ache, our minds spin, our spirits feel dry. But every time it rains, nature offers a reset button, a reminder that healing doesn't always come in pills or creams. Sometimes it's falling right outside your window. Reconnect with it, collect it, use it, respect it. Rainwater is not just water, it's God's invitation to be made all again. So, if you have watched to this point and you are yet to like the video, I don't know why it's taking you this long to do, but anyway, I'll still like you to do that. Like the video, subscribe to the channel because you're gonna be you're gonna be glad you did. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you will be among the first. You'll be among the first to be notified when we drop a new content on this channel. So I hope to see you again in the next one. Take good care of yourself because green health cares.